Hi everybody, today we're going to be working on how to log into PebbleGo to choose your animal for research. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in PebbleGo. And we're going to click this PebbleGo by Capstone. And then we're going to want to click this sign in. So let's go back and let me show you that again. We're going to start at Google. I'm going to type in PebbleGo. I'm going to click PebbleGo by Capstone or PebbleGo.com. And I'm going to click sign in. The school username is SDLIBRARY, SD Library. The password is read. Again, our username is SD Library and the password is read. And then I'm going to click go. Once I'm in PebbleGo, this is what you're going to see. There's different tiles such as animal science, biographies, and social studies. For our research project, we want you guys to be focusing on animals because that's the questions you're going to be getting. So you're going to click animals and you're going to want to choose an animal on PebbleGo. Some of the cool features about PebbleGo is it actually will say things for you.
Mammals.
Such as mammals. And you can also search animals. So I'm going to be doing the koala. So I'm going to type in koala in the search and click koalas. And this is the animal I'm thinking about studying. What I can do is I can listen to what it says.
Koalas are marsupials with thick, fuzzy gray fur. They are about 3 feet, 0.9 meter long. They weigh from 14 to 20 pounds, 6.4 to 9.1 kilograms.
I also could read this. It's going to tell me their habitat, their food, life cycle, fun facts. And they're always going to read more, so these are animals that are similar to koalas. I could watch videos. I'm actually going to stop that right there and just click the X. You can hear them. And you can see where they live on a map. So this will tell you where they live, and you can see they live in this blue area right here because the map key is right here. Then I have where I can cite my source. This is going to tell me how to cite it when we get to citations. I could print a PDF of the article, so I could take this and let's say you don't want to constantly be on the computer when you're referring this, or you want to highlight, you could print the PDF. Or I could even do some activities with my animal. So we could do a share what you know, or this activity right here, where you can label the animal. So what you're going to do is I want you to choose an animal that is interesting to you. It does not have to be a koala. It could be an invertebrate,
Insects,
such as honeybees, painted lady butterflies. It could be
animal, fish,
a fish. You could do a tangfish, which is Dory and Finding Nemo. You can do a reptile.
Turtles.
They have turtles. So choose an animal, whichever animal is interesting to you.
Birds.
And that's going to be the animal you're going to be studying.